Battle, 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 battle. Please go.
Thank you. We just start? Okay. All right, I'm clearly well informed. Hello. I'm going to be performing all roasts in this one. Hello, all right. Fay's pretty famous. She's already been on TV, and it was the Food Channel. Who do you think is eating all the leftovers? But not only that, Fay's also part of the LGBTQIA+ community, and the L stands for large. All right, that's it.
Ludwig looks like he would get away with rape. Start off harmless. Ludwig, fun fact, he doesn't take drugs. He does buy them, but he puts them in women's drinks.
This is a difficult one to do a rebuttal to. I feel like, what? No, I don't. Okay, you got? Okay. Fay looks like she likes making coffee tables out of driftwood. Which her girlfriend loves because she loves everything with a high buoyancy. Okay. That's it.
Okay, yeah. Ludwig's parents are interior designers, which is ironic, because the only interior they didn't design was his personality. One more, Ludwig liked to party, he used to party a lot, but now he said he considers himself a better man. I had to inform him he misspelt the word beta.
That's not funny! Andrew! Alright, no. I do look like I put the incel in Excel, but that's why I'm in sales, so I don't know. I'll just keep roasting myself for you, I think that's... Okay. Fay looks like she runs a food truck. Sorry, no, Fay doesn't run. Any truck is a food truck if Fay's in it.
A lot of rape and a lot of food. Ludwig works in sales, meaning he sells his body to men on the street. And he actually used to be an engineer. He quit his job as an engineer because he misread the job title. He thought it was men in his rear.
At least that would pay me better. At least I could call that a career. Okay, you got?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fay. Okay, sorry. There you go. Fay is a modern woman, but she looks like she sells newspapers in the 30s. Extra, extra! Read all about it! Fay the human blender tonight! Sensational! Alright, so... That's it. Some of those are just for me, I guess.
Ludwig has never been in a relationship, apart from the one with his priest. I've noticed that Ludwig always wears quite tight trousers, yet you can never see his penis imprint. Why not?
Extra, extra! No penis
mysterious man over here.
No, there's nothing. There's nothing. I was a huge fan of the Barbie and Ken movie.
Last round.
Last one. Fay barely graduated high school, which is weird because she looks like she's really excited for her first day at high school. Fay, you have the face of a child and the body of my dad.
That's why your parents got divorced, probably. I don't know. When Ludwig can't think of a Halloween costume, he just gets naked and goes as a skeleton.
That's the battle!